residency at Australia in La Trobe University. So welcome to the exhibition and welcome to Art Speak of Gwen Calatayan. Here's a lecturer of the Fine Arts program. Here's Thea to have the bio of Gwen Calatayan. Thea Karin.
Just a bit more information about Gwen Calatayan. So Gwen is actually, again, one of the winners of the 2013 Ateneo Art Awards. And usually we have the exhibition come after the residency in whatever country or partner institution they are sent to. But for this year, it's quite different because for this one, the exhibition is not directly related to the residency itself. So this is not a return show. Rather, we gave them the option to just have their own exhibition and the subject matter be as free as possible. So Gwen Calatayan devises his art projects to understand and organize his life in relation to the context of a larger community. He uses painting, installation, performance, research, and documentation as he navigates through mainstream, museum-based, and non-traditional modes of art validation. He's an artist curator with a BFA degree and master's units in cultural heritage studies, a 5-year teaching experience at the College of Fine Arts and Design at the University of Santo Tomas, and has been a museum worker from 2002 to 2013 at the UST Museum and National Museum of the Philippines. He was a Cultural Center of the Philippines 13 Artist Awardee in 2009, and recently he finished, like I mentioned earlier, a residency at the Visual Arts Center of La Trobe University in Australia. A grant he was selected for after winning the 2013 Ateneo Art Awards. Last year, 2014, was also shortlisted for the St. Awards. So let's give it up for...
Good afternoon. Salamat sa interview. Nakikinig ba ako? Am I heard? Yeah. No, it's okay to... I am not using the mic. So this is my artist statement. Instructions on viewing the landscape. Number one is remember that imagination has a limit. So I think it's a trap when we believe that imagination